can see, because I have installed both the apps in a same mobile phone, you can see we have an approval for booking, and the booking placed successfully. This was earlier. Now after getting approval from admin, you can see for the similar date we have received a booking approval. We can approve it from here and specify a time when we are ready to serve that particular customer. I have specified it's 3 o'clock. Okay. Now again it goes to the admin for approval purposes. Now you can see it is waiting for admin's approval. When we click on confirm booking, it will ask you to confirm, and once you confirm it, you can see the booking approval has arrived here. Now we can see booking is confirmed for partner, as well as you can see your booking is confirmed. This one is for customer. This booking is now confirmed. So the partner can now straight away start the service. After getting the approval, the dashboard of partner looks like this. Here we had the option for sending the OTP. You can see OTP is sent, and now the same OTP is received at partners app. You can see it over here. By opening the partner app, you can see the OTP is sent. It's 3694. Now I will enter the same OTP over here. It's 3694. And we click on start service. After this, the service is started, and in this meantime, from starting service and ending service, to determine the number of trips entered by partner, just for the sake of confirmation that the details filled here by the partner is correct, the location tracking is done with this app in background, so that we can trace the location of the partner and its movement throughout completing this particular service. In the meantime, after each 15 minutes duration, the locations, means longitude and latitude, are sent to admin panel. From there we can trace the same thing. After this, once the service is completed, you can enter the number of trips and click on stop service. Now here you will get two options. First one is select payment mode. It can be online or by cash. So any one of these payment methods can be adopted. You have to specify it to the customer. Suppose it is online or by cash. We can click simply on by cash and then click on confirm. So now you can check your balance. Earlier it was 1000. Now 300 has been deducted as a commission. Now you can see the same thing over here. Now I refresh this particular app, and you can see the payment is you are not redirected to the payment gateway. In case of online, you will be straight away directed to the payment gateway where the customer has to make the payment. Now you can see it over here in partners column. Booking services, no assigned, pending, approved or ongoing services are there. These are the status that will be shown in the meantime of service, and in the completed column you can see the completed service. Similarly, in the customers app, you can see over here my bookings. No current booking is pending, rather it has moved to past bookings. Thank you.